In this video, I'll guide you through how to receive Jotform Submittal email notifications. By the end, you'll have your form set up so that emails are automatically sent out when someone submits a response. We'll move step by step, and I'll explain what each part does so everything feels clear and easy to follow. First, open your browser and go to jotform.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. This will take you to your main Jotform dashboard, where you can see all the forms you've created or that have been shared with you. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled All and click it. This is where Jotform lists all your forms together. It's helpful when you have multiple forms and want to quickly find the one you're working on. Next, find the form you want to receive submission notifications for. Once you see it in the list, hover over it and click Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can adjust fields, change the design, and in this case, control your email settings. At the top of the form builder, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This section controls the behaviors and background options for your form, including emails, conditions, and integrations. Inside the settings area, look to the menu on the left and click on Emails. This is where you manage what emails are sent when someone submits the form and who receives them. You might already see some existing email settings here, or the list might be empty if you haven't set anything up yet. Now, click on the autoresponder email option. The autoresponder email is the message that's automatically sent out after a form submission. It's commonly used to send a confirmation email to the person who filled out the form, but you can also use it to send notifications to yourself or your team. Once you've opened the autoresponder, you'll see a place to set up the content. Here, you can edit the subject line and the main body of the email. Take a moment to adjust the wording so that it's clear and helpful. For example, you might include a thank you message, a summary of what was submitted, or next steps. You can also use form fields, like the person's name or other answers, to personalize the email. After that, move to the section where you can add recipients. This is where you define who should receive the email when a submission comes in. Make sure the email addresses are typed correctly, and consider whether you want to send it only to the person filling out the form, only to internal team members, or to a combination of both. Next, click on the Advanced tab within the email settings. This area offers extra options that control exactly when and how the email is sent. It's useful if you want a bit more control over the behavior of your notifications. Finally, look for the option labeled Send Email Automatically and enable the setting that says when a submission is received. Turning this on ensures that as soon as someone submits your form, the autoresponder email you configured will go out automatically without you needing to do anything manually. Once everything looks good, remember to save your changes. From now on, your Jotform will automatically send email notifications whenever a new submission is received.